Welcome back. Well, have you noticed how good, how different our hair looks today? There's a very good reason we're asking.
That's right. The talented stylists at the Graham Beauty Spa worked their magic this morning, and owner Carmen joins us now to show you what they can do for you and give us some more tips, because we have been bugging Carmen all day. I called her my problem solver. I think between Carla and I, you've at least answered like 150 questions about hair.
Yeah, so we're so excited to come in and do this for you guys today because, first of all, I've been dying to get my hands in your hair.
I hope that's a good thing. We won't take that as an insult, right?
And I brought a couple stylists from the Grand today to demonstrate some of the looks that you're seeing today. Everybody wants waves in their hair, texture. That's what you're seeing. You're seeing these J-Lo looks. Everybody wants to look like J-Lo, right?
I think most people like myself who have really straight hair assume that it can't be done, as did I.
She was skeptical.
I know.
I mean, the whole time they're starting, and Carly's like, "You don't understand. It's not going to work. It's not going to work."
I'm so glad you trusted us because you look fabulous. It's beautiful change.
So what tips do you have? And again, one of the issues I have too is just because I have fine hair, of making it look fuller than what it actually is.
So technique is big. So one of the things that we wanted to teach you today was a couple techniques on how to create these curls, and as well as protection, because some of the things that we're seeing in the salon, our clients are coming in and doing these curls at home and they're just
frying their hair.
So it's really important to protect the hair, to treat the hair, condition it. Hair is like fabric. It's like your canvas. So it's really important to take care of it how you would take care of your most beautiful silk clothes. So I kind of think of the hair the same way. So I brought a couple stylists in today to teach technique as well as protection. You know, tools matter, products matter, and one of the things that we're so into in teaching people how to spa is taking that time, and we'll sit down with a client and teach them, like, do it this way, put the curling iron at this angle, leave the ends out so you don't burn the ends out. So there's different techniques that we can teach and spend time with the client so that they can recreate the looks at home.
Yeah, I need my notebook out to write all of that out. And introduce us right now to one of your stylists and what we can see on some of the models here.
So we'll start with Adrian, and he's going to teach us a technique on curls.
He was the one who did my hair, by the way, this morning. I'm taking him home with me.
Okay, the most important thing for me is the integrity of the hair. So making sure that you're protecting the hair in order to achieve these styles, because you want your hair to look nice after these styles are achieved. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our Sheer Liqueur. It's one of our lightest hairsprays, but it's got a brushable hold and it has a little bit of memory. So what you want to do is you want to spray a light coating on it. You're going to do diagonal back sections. And what I like to do is I like to use a Marcel because it creates the memory that you're really looking for to achieve, you know, that boho chic look. So you're going to want to warm up your curl, clamp down with your Marcel, slide it about halfway through, give it a turn, clamp it one more time, and give it another turn. Now you want to put your finger on there just to make sure that the heat is penetrating, because this is key in order for your curls to last. You'll drop it down one time, slide it back through, give it another twirl, slide it through, and then drop your curl all the way through.
I'm going to have to replay that several times, just so you know, so I can figure that out. And that's not the only styles, because you were talking a little bit about protection, and that's what else you wanted to show with one of your models today.
Yes, so Maite is going to teach us how to protect the hair.
Yes, so for me it's really important to protect the hair before put heat on. So I just lift the hair to get this, you know, beautiful set to get that Hollywood waves, and then you can just, you know, curl it.
And so the heat sprays, I've heard of heat sprays before, but I didn't know how vital they were. Carmen, is that something that you would recommend?
It's so important to protect the hair, because if you just leave the hair raw and you put an iron on the hair, you're just sizzling the hair at 350 degrees temperature. So it's just not good for the hair. And eventually, you'll notice the hair will start breaking. It just gets damaged.
And not good for the smell of our dressing room, because when Carly and I are curling. But ladies, thank you.
I know, this is awesome. And again, what I love about what you do with our show is you're teaching people and you welcome people. Like, let's retrain how we're doing hair, how we think about hair. That is what her and her team can do.
It's really important to just take that time, and so that what happens is if I don't do my job to teach my guests how to recreate it, they're going to go out into the world, and it's not going to be good for me.
I'm going out in the world with this hair. I'm going to keep this as long as I can. Thank you, Carmen.
Thank you.